Hello, welcome to Whiskey River Woodshop. I started this channel because I like to do art, but I found a medium that appeases me, woodworking. Now I'm not going to work on the same old kind of projects that you're going to see everywhere else on YouTube. I'm not going to work on the same old furniture projects that people have been doing forever. If you want help with that, there's plenty of places to go find that kind of woodworking. I have a lot of tools that aren't top of the line. So I'm going to show you that some fine work can be done with affordable tools. Now there's some things you have to have, but you don't have to have the $5,000 version of them. So I got a background in art, a background in digitizing design, typesetting, and a background in how to tell machines how to work, which is why many of our projects are going to feature a CNC mill. Lots of information out there about CNC mills also. Not here to educate everybody on the basic premise of a mill, but I'm going to show you what's possible beyond just making a sign or cutting a simple vector. So right now, the shop's a mess. Far too small, uninsulated garage, middle of Minnesota, cold as the dickens. I thought about starting this channel many months from now, after the shop's been remodeled and I have a proper workspace that's heated and insulated and it doesn't have 100 things that have no business being in a wood shop. Like I got my motorcycle parked over there under a tarp, and we got a bunch of gardening stuff hanging on the wall over there, and the wife's metalworking stuff's over there. So I'm working in about a quarter of a two-car garage with no insulation that doesn't hold heat worth a damn in the middle of Minnesota, which is why the shop's going to get redone. However, a buddy of mine recommended that I show the videos before the shop's done. Let all of you see what kind of shit show I'm working in and why the shop is being redone. The first couple projects that I do are going to be pretty simple. They'll be building in complexity as time goes, and they'll also be building in size as time goes once there's space to work. Space to work is the biggest issue that I'm having right now. So here, I'll swing the camera around and let you see what little space I have to do this stuff in. Small, right? Yeah, no room to work. So the first project's coming soon and will very likely be a small urn for a beloved dog that passed away. And hopefully that's the first project I'll be showing you. But for right now, this was just an introduction to the Whiskey River Woodshop. I really hope I piqued your interest just a little bit, enough for you to hit the subscribe button and look forward to what kind of content we produce here.